Hello, hello and welcome to this video. Today I got opportunity to get invitation for a Tana and let's go and let's see a deep dive. So you got an 40 day of Tana got free. Okay, let's go for activate the free trial. Hmm. So basically, who am I? I am a developer and this look like a lot of meetings and outliner, a few meetings less, and then how you outliner before. Yes, I love outliner. Yes, exactly. Next, what you want to use? A personal note taking, then a product and project, and I want to create some notes. Then okay. Mm, Okay, connect Google Calendar. I don't have much invitation, but anyhow, I connect with my Google Calendar, continue, and select all. Right, continue, and oh yes, videos. That's fine. That possible. I complete this task or not. So this is a super tags, and today for 5 December goals for it automatically create the goals for a last quarter. If I go expand personal, it show me that personal, and even I can add some more pages in a personal. For example, I can set fitness, right, and we can add, and I can add more. Mm, So I can personal fi- fi- finance, finance, and start make a budget, may note down every rupee I will save, right? I will spend uh, think before spending it necessary, right? And similarly, I can add my projects like Office log for D365, note down every everything you accomplished in the evening, compile and pub- publish on your blog. So it's good, and I did not explore this super tags, and I will go for a super tags tomorrow. Let's see, is there any for you can say show more option. Hmm. So here is a calendar where we can add a calendar, and let's see a demo content. So uh, let's see what's in the demo content. This will and for example, if I go for a demo content, it show me that navigation and shortcuts, getting started with the Tana project, task, navigation. If I click on here, there are shortcuts, editing, formatting, and everything is there. I want to see the power of, yes, you can see, create a new. It's a day, task, and agenda. Everything is there. But I want to feel much better. And even we can add a live audio transcript. Allow. Hello, 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 hello. It says that my mic is already in use because I am using the recording this video. So I'm writing a stop it. But I want to see the ask. I want graph. Yeah. Mm, even summarize, explain, writing, continue. So instead to give me a preview, give me what is the graph view, and it gives me a points, bullet points for graph view that Tana's AI give me the option to. Instead to give me a graph view, it gives me. So so when I write a graph view, so AI write or representation represents features about a graph view. So okay, chat, AL chat. So inbox, anything is there, it will be here. So if I connect with iOS or for Android, I think it's yes. For Android, if I Android, everything I captured automatically come here. So it can be replacement for. It can be used as a replacement for. You can say the Todoist. So let's try it for Android, and I go for. Okay, I'm adding one more task, right? I have to write blog post on the 365 F4. Today, you can see that it automatically coming from my mobile. If you see, I write these two here and directly connected with the app. Thank you for watching. See you in another video for a more detail about Tana.